So here's what just happened. This gentleman here, Bob Apple, you can see on his tag, he was the Individual of the Year in 2016 for Chapter Arizona. What is that?
R.
R.
That's GWRRA Chapter R, Arizona.
I don't know what that means.
Goldwing Road Riders Association.
Goldwing Road Riders Association. The reason he is Individual of the Year is because he does things like this. Tell us your name and where you're from.
I'm Patty Trapp. I'm the chapter director of Chapter D of GWRRA.
So evidently all the chapters get along.
So
Very
far,
much so.
yeah.
So,
Very much so.
So we're
So-
still in each other's mascots.
That's true.
right. So Bob just won a cushion here at D&D Cycles, and Patty is a cancer patient. He said, you know what, she needs this more than me, and he gave it away. So very touching moment. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.